Gardening on a budget, right, Daisy? Yeah, Daisy. All right. So I researched on the internet. It was looking for houseplants, shade-loving houseplants, and I was able to dig up. See the leaves on this baby? This shade-loving houseplant. And if you look it up on the internet, you too. But some of sites don't show the pictures. They just give you the scientific terms like Illustrium, Cloforium, which I am horrible at. Sorry. You scientific people who know the names, please feel free to post and let us know the scientific names of these two houseplants. These two, along with the snake plant, mother-in-law plant, are top houseplants. But my husband Tiger does not love the snake plant, so I had to venture out and thankfully was able to spread apart at the roots these guys, who I had a pot of 5 of them. They were getting squished actually, and they needed to be spread out a little bit, and these I separated at the roots, so that way you can actually separate your plants, let them spread out a little more, and then hopefully have some nice house plants. If you have ferns, that's another top house plant, and different house plants, they can help you breathe better actually. So it's actually good to have house plants, so it's all deep, they breathe together. And enjoy. Give me any tips for gardening, and I will end with Jaden Smith's baby. You know what these are? Does anyone know what these are? Let's look at the flower before it turns into the fruit. It's so cool how God created these things that are gonna slowly turn into, did you guess it? Boom. Booyah. All right.